हेलो दोस्तों, स्वागत है आपका हमारे बिहार स्पेशल वन लाइन सीरीज़ वीडियोस पे, जहां हम हर दिन आपके लिए लेकर आएंगे बिहार स्पेशल से जुड़े 80 से 100 वन लाइनर फैक्ट्स। तो चलिए आज का वीडियो शुरू करते हैं। तोरामाना वॉज डिफीटेड बाय भानुगुप्त, और इसका सोर्स हमें कहाँ से मिलता है? जूनागढ़ इंस्क्रिप्शन। युवक न्यूज़पेपर वॉज लॉन्च्ड बाय राम ब्रिक्स बेनीपुरी, और ये कौन सा साल पे स्टार्ट हुआ था? 1929। वर्मिलियन इंडस्ट्री इज लोकेटेड इन, जो सिंदूर का फैक्ट्री है वो बिहार पे कहाँ पे लोकेटेड है? लखीसराय पे। गया किस लिए फेमस है? स्टोन क्राफ्ट इंडस्ट्री। हाजीपुर में प्लाईवुड इंडस्ट्री है। गया जो है वो बिहार का मैनचेस्टर कहा जाता है। एम्स पटना स्टार्टेड ऑपरेटिंग इन द ईयर 2012, और इसका ओल्ड नेम क्या है? जयप्रकाश नारायण इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ मेडिकल साइंस। बिहार स्टेट इलेक्ट्रिसिटी बोर्ड की स्थापना 1958 पे हुई थी। सत्याग्रही ऑफ बिहार श्री कृष्णा सिंह जी थे। अनुग्रह नारायण सिन्हा। सर्चलाइट न्यूज़पेपर वॉज पब्लिश्ड बाय हसन इमाम एंड सचादिनन सिन्हा, और इसकी डेट है 15 जुलाई 1918 पे ये शुरुआत हुई थी। बिहार हर्लेड, जिसकी पब्लिकेशन स्टार्ट होती है 1875 पे, ये बिहार का फर्स्ट इंग्लिश न्यूज़पेपर था। मेगास्थनीज अराइव पाटलिपुत्र इन विच ईयर? 315 BC, और उस टाइम जब मेगास्थनी पाटलिपुत्र आए थे उस टाइम रूलर कौन थे? चंद्रगुप्त मौर्य। पुनपुन ऑरिजिनेट फ्रॉम पलामू, और पुनपुन जो है वो बिहार पे फतुहा के ज़िले पे गंगा से मर्ज कर जाती है। गवर्नमेंट एलिमेंट्री स्कूल वॉज पास्ड इन 1976। सरन जेल वॉज बर्न ड्यूरिंग द क्विट इंडिया मूवमेंट बाय जगत लाल चौधरी। मैजिक लैंटर्न वॉज रिलेटेड टू सिविल डिसओबीडियंस मूवमेंट। रघुनाथ ब्रह्मचारी was a revolutionary belongs to बेगूसराय, और बेगूसराय से एक फेमस गोली कांड है जो हुआ था 26 जन 1931। चुनचुन पांडे, he was a revolutionary leader of बिहार। थावे टेम्पल is located in गोपालगंज। First political inquiry commission was formed in Bihar, dated 1st October 1976. State Cancer Institute of Bihar is located in Patna. Pristine Mega Food Park is located in Khagaria. First Model AIDS Counseling and Testing Center of North India was opened at Purnia in Bihar. Serum Center of Bihar is located in Purnia. सेकेंड रोपियो ऑफ बिहार इज एट बांका, और बांका पे मांदर फेस्टिवल भी होता है। बिहार फर्स्ट प्लास्टिक रिसाइकलिंग प्लांट, ये समस्तीपुर पे सेटअप होने वाला है। मोतीपुर फूड पार्क इज लोकेटेड इन मुजफ्फरपुर। द रूलर ऑफ विदर्भा किंगडम वर नॉन एज जनक। बिहार क्लाइमेट इज ऑफ CWZ type, subtropical climate, and winters are dry. First woman governor of Bihar, she was Ram Dulari Sinha. First woman Lok Sabha speaker from Bihar, Meera Kumar. Ajay river originate from Jamui. Bihar Yuvat Sangh, it was established in 1928. Unfinished tomb of Afghan Emperor Islam Shah is located in Sasaram. Pant Wildlife Sanctuary is at Nalanda. Length of first phase of Patna Metro Rail project is 32.49 km. First organic produce market of Bihar was opened in Bhagalpur. Second session of Bihar Kisan Sabha was presided by Purushottam Das Tandon, and it was held in the year 1934. A first session of Bihar Kisan Sabha was held at 1929 at Saran, और सेकंड कहाँ पे हुआ था? भागलपुर पे। और फर्स्ट सेशंस पे प्रिसाइड कौन किए थे? स्वामी सजानंद सरस्वती एंड श्री कृष्णा सिंह। थर्ड सेशन ऑफ बिहार किसान सभा was held at Hajipur in the year 1935. Leader was स्वामी सजानंद सरस्वती। साक्यामुनि बुद्धा जी को बोला जाता है। डिस्ट्रिक्ट हैविंग मोस्ट नंबर ऑफ टी इंडस्ट्रीज किशनगंज, और पहला जो टी इंडस्ट्री सेटअप हुआ था वो था ईयर 1982। और ठाकुरगंज जो कि किशनगंज में है, वहाँ पे सबसे ज़्यादा टी इंडस्ट्री डेवलप है। कोसी मीट द गंगा इन कुर्सेला। यदुनंदन शर्मा इज एसोसिएटेड विथ रेओरा सत्याग्रह। करिया आनंद शर्मा इज एसोसिएटेड विथ लैंड मूवमेंट। रामधारी सिंह दिनकर जी को पोएट ऑफ रिबेल के नाम से जाना जाता है। ही वॉज elected 3 times as a member of Rajya Sabha. He was also awarded with Padam Bhushan in the year 1959. Kaimur Plateau is famous for limestone. Didarganj Mohalla of Patna city is famous for Mauryan sculptures. Mahananda rivers enter Bihar from Kishanganj. Barabar Hill, it is located in Zahanabad. Ramshila Hill, it is located in Gaya. Giridhak Hill, it is located in Rajgir. Pretshila Hill, it is located in Gaya. Second Indigo Revolt of Bihar, 1907 to 1909. It was led by Sheikh Gulab, Sheikh Razab Ali, Pir Muhammad Munis, Sitab Rai, Babu Langarajan Singh. Babu Langarajan Singh led this movement in the year 1909. Leather craft, Muzaffarpur. Stone and wood craft, Gaya. Jute craft industry, it is located in Patna as well as in Katihar. Lakh bangles, Samastipur. First Theatre University of Bihar is being built at Patna. First Governor General of Bihar was Sir James David Sifton. Bengal Tenancy Act was passed in the year 1885. The ruler who introduced Panchayati Raj in Mithila region was Ganga Deva, while Karnat rule was founded by Nanya Deva, and the second capital of Karnat kingdom was Darbhanga. Ram Sina introduced Patwari system in the Mithila region. Mir Jafar and British were opposed in the region of Bihar between 1757 to 58 by Falwan Singh, Kamgar Khan and Sundar Singh, Raja Ram Narayan. A conference was organized in Anjuman Islamia Hall in Patna. Anjum Islamia Hall in Patna to prevent untouchability in the year 1932. Amjad Sharif Mazar, it is located in Aurangabad and it's belong to the Sufi Sant Qadri. Bihar Times was renamed as Bihari in the year 1906. Sampurna Kranti, this movement was led by J.P. Narayan. A mass student movement took place in 1974 in the Bihar. It was renamed as Sampurna Kranti by J.P. Narayan only. In 1991, Bikramshila Ganga Dolphin Sanctuary was established. Udaipur Wildlife Sanctuary is located in West Champaran. Kallor Bridge is known as Abdul Bari Bridge, connect Ara to Patna. Sorat Sabha, it is at Madhubani. It is a marriage fair. Sri Lankan ruler who built a monastery at Bodh Gaya. He was Sri Meghavarma and permission was given by Samudragupta. Capital city of Sud dynasty, Patna. Gurudwara Govind Ghat is situated on the bank of river Ganga. Nanak Panthi sect of Sikhs has the highest population in Patna. Tapon Mahotsav started in 2015 at Rajgir. Bhupen Narayan Mandal, he is associated with Quit India movement in Bihar and he belongs to Madhepura. Congress Socialist Party of Bihar, it was formed in Patna in the year 1934 at Anjum Islamia Hall under the chairmanship of Narendra Dev. The name of Jai Prakash Narayan wife is Pravata Devi. Muhammad bin Tughlaq, he built a fort and Jama Masjid in Darbhanga. Southern Plateau region is located between Kaimur and Baka. The Motherland magazine, it was published from Patna and during non-cooperation movement. Bihar Museum was established in the year 2015. 18th century Bihar was famous for saltpeter industry. Golden League was established in support of boycott and Swadeshi movement in 1904 at Devghar. Bihar Times was renamed as Bihari in 1906. Bhimband Wildlife Sanctuary is located in Munger. Domkas is a form of folk dance that is performed at a time of marriage. I hope you have loved this video. Don't forget to like and share. Let's meet in next video.